Hello everyone, this is Paul at Referral Auto Group, about ready to go through the Puma Tracks PT 2750 bunkhouse. Hello everyone, this is Paul at Referral Auto Group, and we're about to go through the 2026 Puma Tracks PT 2750 BHS bunkhouse. It has a total overall length of 32 foot 6 inches, a dry weight of 6,255 pounds, a GVWR of 7,650 pounds, a freshwater capacity of 42 gallons, gray water capacity of 38, and a black water capacity of 38 gallons, and sleeps approximately 6 to 7 people. We're going to start over here by the doorway, and you're going to see that it has a large storage compartment on the outside, look towards the back of the unit, which is very nice to have. It has a large black awning with adjustable arms, aluminum steps, Asdel construction, guaranteed not to delaminate. Aluminum wheels. It's got a TV bracket out here if you wish to add a TV for when you're at your campsite, and power to hook it up. Also has a on-demand water heater with endless hot water. It's got this shelf bracket here that I'll explain to you in a second when we get to that area. There's some hardware underneath in the storage compartment that goes there. It has the PSX1 stabilizers, all electric, front and back. One end of your storage compartment here. Nice fiberglass front cap with LED light built in the middle. 2 5-gallon LP tanks that will be full when you pick up a unit from us, also with a new battery and box. Electric front jack. Rock guard down below. And down here is your other side of your storage. And that's the shelf I was telling you about that could be mounted on the other side when you get to your campground, along with the griddle combo. You also have your solar controller, battery cutoff switch, a light, and looks like a water pump and filter access. Also, it's got a duct in here for the heater, which will make this a climate controlled storage compartment. You got your freshwater input, black and gray hookups down below. Outdoor shower, Santa flush. Come around this way. You got your shore power plug along with your cable and satellite hookups. In the back here, you got your spare tire. It also comes equipped with a prep ready Furion camera, or prepped for the Furion camera, and also has the on-the-go ladder receiver as well. LED lights. Take a quick look at the outside one more time before we go inside. Very nice looking trailer. Very well built. All right, let's go inside. Nice aluminum steps. Larger top step for you to take your shoes off and not miss. Okay, as soon as we walk in, you're going to see as you walk in, and you see the controllers to the right, along with your hot water heater thermostat. And then you got a bunk room here with steps to go up to an upper bunk. Pretty cool. So it's got like its own little room. And then on the other side, you have another room, but it's down below. Very cool. Floor plan I've never seen before. I'm gonna pan around, let you see the whole trailer from here. And then I'm gonna start on this wall here and show you that you have like a 42-inch TV. Not sure, don't mark my words on that. I don't know how it turned off on me, but it was on a second ago. Fireplace, stereo. Just behind the TV, you have a pantry that's hidden out of the way. Stove, oven. It's got a large stainless steel sink with a residential style faucet and sink cover as well that goes on a bracket on the side here, which is very cool because they never stay in place when you travel. Got your microwave hood, more cabinets, thermostats. And this trailer does come with one 15,000 BTU air conditioner on it, but it has the ability to run 3. I think one is all it's going to take, but sometimes it's nice to have an extra one if you ever decide to go that way. Nice Furion fridge. Walk to the back. There's the bathroom, shower, and toilet. To the side, you got your sink, mirrors. Trying to stay out of the mirrors. And then you got your one side of the bed. I would say this is a RV queen. And then on the side of the bed, you also have cabinets that have little holes in them where you can actually drop your stuff into there and get it out and kind of hide all your goodies so that it doesn't look messy in your room. It's got 110 outlets and 12-volt outlets, which is nice for people to use the CPAP machines. I'm going to pan around. Very cool. Now I'm going to walk into the living room, walk through the bathroom. Into the living room. Very cool trailer. Booth will definitely set up into another bed. Cool color schemes. Definitely a cool layout. Bunkhouse that like I've never seen before. Come down and check it out. I'm gonna walk outside. Take one more look at the outside. And there you have it. This is the 2026 Puma Tracks PT 2750 BHS bunkhouse. 15,000 BTU air conditioner, electric jacks, electric awning, aluminum wheels. Come down and see it. We're at www.referralautogroup.com. You can also reach us at 209-404-2200. That's our phone number. And don't forget about our on-site service department, which can take care of all your RV needs and equip your truck for whatever you need to pull any one of these trailers. We're also the home of the Warranty Forever inspection, or home of the Warranty Forever, which is a warranty that's covered or can be used anywhere in the United States. And don't forget that we're not going to hustle and hassle you until you buy. We're going to educate you and teach you until you make the right decision for yourself. Again, this is Paul at Referral Auto Group. Come on down and see us. Thank you.